thought you had explored all the ways to enjoying your favorite Malta Guinness non-alcoholic malt drink, but I'm about to give you a shocker with this super indulging Malta Guinness caramel ice cream. Sounds so yummy. Let's go and make it. To start our ice cream, we're using some cold whipping cream. Into that, I add in some condensed milk, and I'm just going to whisk this till combined and it forms stiff peaks like this. Once you have that, set it aside and go ahead to bring out your star ingredient, the Malta Guinness non-alcoholic malt drink. Open that can of goodness up and then just set it aside. Also, we're adding some caramel into our mixture and we go in with our canned Malta Guinness drink. Mix this till it is well combined and looks this lush and beautiful and set aside. Next, we're going to transfer all of that mixture into a freezer safe bowl. Make sure you scoop every part of this into it, okay? Drizzle some more caramel and then just design the top like you see me doing, just for some extra beauty. You guys, this ice cream is so good. Go ahead and seal this with a cling film and keep in your freezer for about 4 to 6 hours till it is frozen. Once it is frozen, you guys, this delicious Malta Guinness caramel ice cream is ready. I went ahead to scoop some of this goodness onto my ice cream cone because I just wanted to be able to hold it and just enjoy it, okay? To add a little bit of beauty and deliciousness, I added some sprinkles, and you guys, this ice cream is ready to be enjoyed and devoured. Like, my kids could not have enough. It was so good. I couldn't have enough either. All you need to do now is grab your can of Malta Guinness and recreate this recipe